hi.
Hi, Mary.
Yes, Mary Joe.
Hi, Mary. How you doing? I just finished. You see it? You tie my food. You tie my pot, right? Look at my food. I cook. I could put some more gravy.
Yeah, put some more gravy and get a close up for the Lord. Thumbs up alive, guys. Soon get a close up on the food. Here, guys. Thumbs up alive. This is what we're talking about, guys. You spend time in the kitchen, some lovely food for you guys. Wow, can't see the gravy I got on the food, man.
Look at the gravy. Nice.
Sugar. Sweet like a sugar. Thumbs up alive, guys. Thumbs up
Take a
alive.
picture.
Take a picture first.
Yeah. So you can see it, mate. You can see it.
Now get a close up, man. Thumbs up alive, guys.
This is a brown rice with black bean. My avocado over here. My salmon in coconut milk.
Lovely.
My curry salmon in coconut milk. Yeah, if you want, you can always put lemon on your fish when you're eating. And this is my mustard green and callaloo. Okay, and my brown rice.
Looking rich, guys.
Looking rich and nice.
Much water.
So look at this. Look at this
See,
food.
guys.